Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got the Pro Ring in from SW Motech. So here it is, it's magnetic. So this thing will attach, it's already magnetized. And then I just screw them in just to make sure that stays in place. Screw these 4 bolts onto the rack and we are good to go. Then I'm able to put my, my sport bag on without any straps. So what I had to do was modify the rack a little bit. As you see, I did 2 holes right here. And that's kind of where I'm going to screw it in, just like that. And then the rest of it underneath, I'm going to use 3M tape. It's plenty strong. The bag is light. It doesn't weigh much anything. I've done it before. It ain't coming off. Once I put this on metal to metal, it's not going anywhere. And plus I'll have these 2 bolts down in, and that's it. Those are the only mods that I had to do on the GIVI. So stay tuned for what it looks like when the bag is installed onto the bike. All right, guys, here she is. Mounted up, clean. Check that out. You'll see the 3M tape on the other side. It's got a good bite. Drilled those 2 holes and mounted. This thing isn't going anywhere. I've been banging on it, whatever. I mean, the screws are bolting it down. The 3M tape, there's no way this 3M tape's coming out, especially for a bag like this. I could fill this up with 20 pounds and this thing isn't going anywhere. So here, that's just an idea of what I did. Easy modification, 2 holes, that's it. So the GIVI rear rack does work on the Beamer. On the GS on the top vario case carrier. So here it is. All right, so this is gonna go like this. So let's get this thing mounted and then we'll put on the bag. Easy on and off with the magnetic attachment, and that's it. So you guys, you know, at your own discretion, decide whether this is something that you guys wanna do for your bike or not. All right, the choice is yours. The rack is mounted. So 4 bolts go into the top vario cases where it's screwed in these plastic little things and the whole rack onto the bike. So we replace those with the screws that they provide. Here's the ring, and here's what the side profile looks like. Super slim, super thin, looks great. Still keeps the for whatever reason, the little swinging action of the rack. And there she is. And there it is with the sport bag on. Just hooks on magnetically and then connects. That's it. Doesn't go anywhere. And if I want to release it, grab onto the little hook, and that's it. Voila. All right, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And thank you again for subscribing to the channel. We'll talk soon.